took a position on NVDA. My entry was somewhere around here, and I just took one position because it's Friday. So that's my ongoing trade right there. So the signal is this. The entry signal candle is this. Volume is good too. Let's see, our target is this, first target this, second target this. Let's see how the market reacts. SPY and QQQ, how they react. Yeah, if it reclaims this, I have to be skeptical about the trade, and I might take loss if it reclaims and closes off of this. My actual stop loss is here, but and I have only traded one contract, so, and it is a 7 DT, so it's gonna move pretty slow, so it's good. My max stop loss will be, I think, $40 to $50. Let's see how it goes. My analysis is good, but we are finding support here and hoping that this support breaks in favor of NVDA. Because NVDA opened pretty weak, and it might be like yesterday's price action, like this. At least we are hoping that it is that. Okay, but we will always play to our stop loss and key levels. Let's see if the bears come in. If the bears are strong, that means that they won't let bulls hold this level, and that is for sure. Okay, but if bears are weak and they let bulls hold this level, that means that there's less chance of this trade moving. Okay, I'm already like 4% up. If I had played like 0 DT, then it would have been a lot more than that, but it's fine. 0 DTs are a lot riskier than the 7 DT contracts. So, and yeah, we're just being careful because today there was data as well, and we don't want to get caught on a choppy action. So I think it's making a double bottom here, and this might be bad news for me. This might make me exit, so we'll have to wait and see how the price reacts. I mean, this was already my take profit, so it hit my take profit, but since I'm only playing one contract, I'll play it as a runner, and I'll give it more time to play out. So that is why I'm holding, and if it makes a second leg down, then it's going to be a good trade. So right now our only job is to wait and see. I'm hoping that it breaks this level and flushes down to here, and that'll be like nice profits. Yes, it's doing that now. I'm already up 7%. I might take profits because it's my second target now. The first target was hit already, and it's moving towards the second target, but I like the volume, so, and I think the volume says that it's gonna break this level as well, so I'll probably hold. Yeah, let's see what the price action says. Okay, now it's making second leg down too. It's the second leg down, so we probably have a break below. Let's see how strong the bears are. The 2-minute price action is showing that they're pretty strong right now, but there might be some profit takings over here. It might retest this level to come back down, so it's just a waiting game for now. I'm still 8% up, so it's a juicy profit. Yeah, I might take profits because I'm up nicely. Let's see a few more minutes. because I like how this volume is playing out. It's increase in volume. Obviously I'm getting scared of losing the profits, but yeah, we'll see how it's playing out. Yep, that's it. I'm taking profits right here. I took profits right here. I know if it's gonna flush, then I'm gonna regret it, but that was 15% profit on just one contract, so it's a pretty good trade. Yeah, now it's flushing. Now it's flushing down. So you can say that we might have missed out on some profits, but that's fine because we got what we wanted, and we hit two of our price levels, two of our targets. First target was this, it hit flush. Second target was this. Maybe the volume was suggesting me not to exit, but to stay, because the bears are very strong. But yeah, 15% profit, you can't say no to, right? If I was holding 2, then it would have been like a nice trade for the runner. But since I'm trading only one contracts right now, this is a good trade. Okay, let me see. Yeah, that's how it's looking right now. So yeah, that's the first trade, but we have to take other trades as well. So now let's see this AMD, how it's rejecting this area. It's not, and I like how volume is playing out as well. So I might take a trade by putting a stop loss here and entering here for targeting this level. Let's see, because I'm waiting, because I already got the confirmation on this candle, but I'm waiting because this is a good move. This might just be a pullback to the move upwards, so I don't want to get caught on the move upwards. That's why I'm waiting. But yes, my rationale, it may be good, maybe bad, we don't know. SPY is also rejecting. We still got 1 more minute left, so we will wait. Okay, it's going now. Now what we can get out of this trade? Where's my stop loss? Whatever, 235. So it's a $30 loss, stop loss. I think I'm willing to take that to see if it can break this level, right? I'm a little bit skeptical here too, because the market is like not acting as I know, right? So I'm a little bit skeptical too, but yeah, it comes with the job, right? Let's see. Maybe I can, maybe I'll not take a trade too. Let's see. It's given me the signal now. Yeah, I think I'll have to take one entry, right? It's okay if I get a loss. It's a 1:1, and yeah, it's okay. I'm taking an entry. So I just took an entry. This is my entry. I waited for 2 confirmation candles, so that might mean nothing. That means nothing, but that just means that I'm quite scared of this trade, like scared that it might not go as I think it should. But yeah, let's see. We have the confirmation of volume as well. We saw this volume, how it's playing out. We saw this volume as well. So yes, let's just wait and see how it goes. If it doesn't go well, we take the loss and we move on, right? Simple as that. Being scared is not the option. If the bears are strong enough, they will push the price to this level, because it has rejected from this level. And even the 2 minute, we can see how it's playing out, right? Let's see how it does. Doesn't matter what it does. Okay, we took the signal. That's the only thing that matters. We took it on the close of candle, we followed the rules, and if it's gonna stop us out, we are gonna take the stop loss, and we are gonna move on like nothing is wrong. Okay, I know it's Friday, I know it's kind of fake out momentum here, but I really like this reject area. I want price to be pushed down, right? But if it doesn't, that's fine. We'll take the stop and move on. Yeah, right now it's all waiting game. You can see my position here. I don't want it to chop for long period of time. I think it might chop a long period of time because it's a choppy zone right here, right? Apart from that, it's looking good. The 15-minute, however, is in a range, right? It's gone up, it's gone down, it's gone up. Now we're betting it to go down, so we never know. It's just waiting game. If I find signs of weakness, if I find something wrong, like signs of weakness, I'll notice it and I'll see what I can do with that sign. Okay, I don't like how SPY and QQQ is playing right now. It's kind of looking to make a flag, a bull flag, so I don't like that price action on SPY and QQQ. And NVDA is of course going up, it's trying to trade up. I don't like that as well for this particular trade. So let's see, we need we need increase in volume. If it wants to travel back to this level, we need increase in volume. If we see weakness in volume, and if we see some weakness, we will be stopping out, because we don't want to always be waiting for the stop loss. Okay, if we see that this trade, if we recognize that this trade is not looking like it's our trade, why would we wait for the full stop loss, right? Yes. Okay, I think it's more likely to chop around and just chop around and do nothing. Yep, we might just stall out of this trade. Let's wait, because SPY is strong, QQQ is strong. Yep, we don't like this trade anymore, we're stalling out. Let's wait for a few minutes. I know, man, just wait, man. Just don't be scared. It's okay, it's just a few dollars. That's the risk you have to put to see if your trade is going to work or no. So in that regards, it's nothing but a hold. I don't like this volume. It's a sign of weakness. Obviously, the bears aren't willing to come yet as of now. So I think, yeah, I think it'll be. But even the bulls are not present, right? This is a pretty bad bullish volume. This one here, this is a pretty bad bullish volume. I'm watching the 2-minute price action to find some confirmations, because I don't want to get stuck into a chop and waste my time. Let's see, if the bears are there, they should show me that they're there and flush the price, not get stuck around. Okay, Yep, I don't like this price action. Yes, it's a good price action for the bears, since when the price is moving up in the 2 minute, the there's a decline in volume. That means the bulls are not strong enough and the bears have a chance of coming in. So yeah, I'll wait. I'll just wait. Doesn't matter how long I have to wait. I'm just doing my job of waiting, right? That's all right. A trader's job is to wait. Well, I definitely I'm not liking the price action, but yeah, SPY is now finally rejecting. Even NVDA is rejecting. QQQ is rejecting. So I think I might stall out of this trade and go to SPY instead. Yeah, that might be a good decision. I know I might be breaking rules by not stopping out early. But I don't know, man. We'll see. I wanted a strong candle after this candle, so my expectation of course didn't meet. Yeah, I don't like this anymore. I'm just gonna get out. It's okay. It's a few dollars of loss. Yeah, now it's flushing and now it's flushing. Now it may flush. Yeah, I took a small loss on this one. Yeah, and now it might actually flush after I got out. So let's wait and see and react and see what I did wrong. Okay. Yeah, I don't like the price action because it's weakening all over, right? It's weak from here, it's weak from here, it's weak here, it weak here, it weak here. It's a lot of weeks. There's no, and more than that, there's no conclusion from the candles too, right? This candle concluded that there's bearish momentum, right? But what did this candle conclude? Like nothing. There's no support from the bearish side, right? But now this candle, if it makes a bearish close below this or something, yeah, now this concludes that there's still bearish momentum, but the volume isn't convincing, right? I don't like the volume again. It's weakening. The volume clearly says that it's weakening. So yeah, better not stay on such kind of trades because it's already a B. It's a B trade now, right? It's a B, which can obviously like travel to this level, but since all of this job we don't want none of those, right? So I think I might have done good by exiting, by just stopping out, just because I didn't like the price action, just because I didn't like how the candles were turning out, even on the 2 minute. I know I shouldn't be based on 2 minute, I shouldn't be basing my decisions on 2 minute, but I just didn't like how it's chopping. And even this area, you can see it's a choppy area. So even if the trade works, it's okay, there's nothing to lose. I took just a small loss and it's a good loss, right? And that's it. Let's just wait a few more minutes and see what the trade does, so that I can reanalyze and yep, now it's looking more likely to move down to that level. because even SPY and QQQ is kind of stuck. If I have to show you, even SPY and QQQ is kind of stuck over here on this level, like indecisiveness. See, even QQQ just stuck on this level here, this area. So when price does that, it's better off to not stay in the trade. I mean, it was a good signal, it might still work, but when price does that, it's a B, and you better stay out of the B's. Okay, just take the A's. Yep. So we're just waiting for it to play out now. Whatever it does, doesn't matter. We've taken our trade, we've known that it's not working in our favor. We know how our trades work, right? So we can easily spot the difference when the trade is weakening, right? See the volume just weakening. We don't like this volume. To be honest, this candle and the volume was already, yeah, I told it earlier that it's a first sign of weakness. And then this candle just chopping around, wicking around, this showed another sign of weakness. And when I compare these three volumes for these three candles, it's just fully declining volume. And when the volume is declining, it's better not to stay, at least for me, because it's a B. So okay, yeah, it looked like it's breaking, but it's still chopping. It's come back up, it might break again. See, the way that QQQ and SPY is stuck on that level, it just tells it all. If QQQ and SPY are able to break below or above that level, then surely this will move, right? But right now, it doesn't seem like that. Even NVDA price action is kind of choppy, right? Yep, it's moving towards that target. And now this is good volume. If it breaks this previous candle volume, it's good volume now. Yeah, still not satisfying, but better. It's better compared to this candle, right? It should have been a little bit more, but yeah, okay. SPY is breaking downwards, QQQ is breaking downwards. I might take other trades on QQQ or SPY. Let's see. I like this break, but again the volume, it isn't there. Even on SPY, it's not there yet. So stop loss will obviously be above this, huh? I don't know. Don't wanna play this right now, just because it looks so choppy, and don't wanna lose another dollar, right? Let's just wait for some real momentum, okay? Some real volume with real momentum. See, it's again chopping. It looked like it's breaking, but then it's back up, reclaiming that level. The bear should never let the bulls to reclaim this level if it's strong and if it wants to go here. It should test it, but it should not reclaim. See, this week, what's this week? So I think exiting here was a pretty harsh decision. Maybe I should have really waited until my stop loss, right? I just got scared of the chop. Maybe I should have waited for the stop loss and then just either taken the stop loss after the trade was invalidated, and then or held if the trade was valid, right? The trade, when does the trade get invalidated? When it's above this, when it closes above this, right? When it closes above this level. But if it's under this level and it has rejected this, then the trade is still valid. And I think that's what I learned here, not to take stop by being scared, right, of losing. If I wasn't scared and had held to the chop like a nice guy, I would have hit the target 1, it would have broken the target 1 and on the way to target 2, right? So I think that's the most important lesson that this trade taught me, that I shouldn't be scared of chops, even though it looks like it's not working. Let the trade be invalidated. Let the trade say to you that this is invalid, you should get out. Let it say to you that, and then you can get out. But getting out in middle of a trade like this without the stop loss getting hit means you are missing out on one trade, and you are also losing unnecessarily. So this, I think, was an unnecessary loss. Not just because I said this because it moved through my level, but and I would have profited, but I'm saying this because in other trades as well, I might take the stop loss early and then just be like, just get out of the trade even when the trade hasn't been invalidated yet. So that's just, whenever you're gonna take a stop, just ask yourself that is the trade has the trade been invalidated now? What's the conclusion of the candle? What's it saying? Is the candle saying that your trade is invalid and you should get out, or is it saying no, it's not valid, it's not invalid, it's just moving on its own way? So yeah, that's what this trade taught me. If I had been in this trade, I saw this trade happen, I saw this trade moving to the level and moving to this level as well, and I trusted it, but because of fear of losing profits, I got out early, and see how much I missed, right? That's the lesson. This is an important stop loss lesson, right? Don't just trigger your stop loss just because you're scared. Trigger your stop loss when you have to stop the loss. Okay. Yep, that's the lesson. So this is the trade. These are the trades that I took earlier. This is NVDA. I bought at 345. I sold at 395. This is the second trade on AMD that I made the mistake on. I bought at 262 and sold at 244. And this is how my PNL is looking after today. It's Friday. And this is the current account balance that I'm holding.